This here is the back of your hot water heater. So you will access this if you need to winterize your trailer or summerize your trailer. Inside here, we've got a few important things to note. So down here in the corner, we have a little on-off switch. That is an override for your electric element. So you want to make sure that when you are not using your trailer, you do have that switched off, so that no one will accidentally light your hot water heater from inside with no hot water in the tank, as the element can burn itself out or actually melt the tank. When you are using your trailer though, you do want to have that switch switched on to use your electric element. Down here we have the anode rod. That rod will protect your tank from harsh minerals in the water. So essentially it's a rod that you insert there to take the harsh minerals out of the water so that they don't rust the water tank. This water heater is equipped with a steel hot water tank, so you have an aluminum anode rod slotted in there to protect that tank. You will need to check that once a season to make sure that it is not too corroded, and when it does corrode too much, you do want to replace those typically once every 2 years. This anode rod also serves as a plug for the hot water tank itself, so when you go to drain your tank, you will remove the rod to actually drain the water out. And up here we have the blow-off valve. This will relieve the pressure from your lines when you go to winterize the trailer.